In fact, I was telling the people on the dais while I was coming along with them, I wish I would have also worn Swami Vivekananda turban. I wish I may not be whatever you may be totally, at least I'll transform myself. I wish I would have. The second thing is, when you all started clapping for 3 minutes or anything, from a medical point of view, I only say one thing. What are claps? Claps are the heart sounds coming outwardly is called as claps. When your heart beats, when the heart beats become external beats, that is the greatest appreciation. Now I thought that I will just give you some glimpses of what people have really taken. It is not knowing Vivekananda, not trying to memorize his sayings. Has it gone into every cell of us? That is the matter of greatest respect, or possibly the effect. The World War was going on. There was an aircraft over Pacific Ocean. Suddenly the aircraft blew. There were 3 people inside. And in the 3 people, the first fellow, I'm finished. And he died. The second fellow said, I am dying. Who will tell my family about my LIC and Provident Fund? The third fellow, actually the book was written by the third fellow. The third fellow fell into the Pacific. And he said, there is a greatest strength within me. The God is within me. I was not taken away in the aircraft blast. I did not die on the way. I did not die on the ocean when it touched me. But still I am alive. There is within a power. And that is the strength with which I go on. And here he said, this strength is Vivekananda. And you know what happened? And do you know what happened? He went on swimming for 7 continuous days and nights. Went on. And on the 8th day, there is an aircraft trying to find out the people who have fallen in the ocean, finds this lone fellow swimming, and he lifts him and brings. He said the power of within now has come out. Imagine, my dear friends, not just listening. Try to say, I am powerful. The power is within me. Let me tell you the second important thing I wanted to place before you, which is, my dear brother Lakshmana also said, we shared platform also some time back. And imagine one, even today it is there, but something somewhere is missing. Who is and what Swamiji said, Bodhamayananda, I will vitamin M, I will touch upon that also. What is the most important thing I wanted to tell you, even today, only thing is, in the form of something modernity or anything westernization, we are killing ourselves. I was going to a village for a health camp regularly, which is nearly 40 kilometers from Hyderabad. Just walking, that is also in January. As I was walking, I found 3 boys, 10, 11, 12 like that, 3 boys with a big newspaper and throwing the stones on the berries, regipallu. Anni regipallu teestunaru kinda padtunnayanni. And they are all collecting all the things on the newspaper. And I was slowly walking towards them, appreciating. And as I was coming nearby, there were the fellow who is 12 years, he was telling his friends, make it into 3 parts. I felt so happy. Nobody counted whether you got 10 or I got 5 or anything. All our things are ours. All the berries were on the one single newspaper sheet. Made it into 3 parts. I felt so happy. I went nearby. I was about to embrace the fellow. And you know what he said? He did not look at me. He was looking at the other 2. Kalipeyandra anni annadu. I said, what is the problem? Why did you do that? మాస్టారు 4 చేయాలి సార్ కుప్పలు. See that. Make it 4. I said why? నేనేమి చేయలేదే, నేనేమి ఒక్క పండు కూడా దించలేదే, నాకెందుకురా? మాస్టారు మా అమ్మగారు అంటుంది, మన ఇంటికి మనకి ఊరికి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు అతిథులు, వాడు దేవుడితో సమానం, అందుకని మీకు ఒక కుప్ప సార్. ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ దట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఈవెన్ టుడే. In the name of modern education, more often we are ruined, becoming more and more selfish. My dear friends, Swami Vivekananda, one important facet I will place it before you. In a different form I shall try to put it. About a year and a half ago, I was at University of Iowa addressing large number of university students. That includes both Americans and Indians. Very interesting, kindly follow it. Very interesting. They asked me, sir, you have been coming for several years to United States. What is your impression about United States? I said, United States, extraordinary. You have got extraordinary people, Nobel laureates, wonderful. But, I said, you know that but has become a big problem to them. He said, sir, what is that but? You have extraordinary people, you don't have ordinary people. What do you mean by ordinary, sir? Ordinary means, even from worldly point of view, I'll tell you, you don't have people who make clothes for you. You don't have people who make sandals, who make toys. All are coming from India or Bangladesh or China. You don't have even electronics coming from anything. What do you mean, sir? You make only arms. How? What is the but? Then the fellows caught hold of me. What do you think about India? This was only a year and a half ago, my dear friends. Please remember. I said India is extraordinarily ordinary and ordinarily extraordinary. Why? The answer is not difficult for me to say that, because Swami Vivekananda, while writing on character, he said, the character of people is not present or can be seen or perceived when extraordinary things are done. The character of person is only seen when he does ordinary things. Because extraordinary thing, always try to see the thing that is done, but not on the individual. Ordinary things, when it is done, individual comes into the light. Now, a small things, because large number of you are all here, youngsters are all here, remember. Nana Phalkewala went to Japan. And he was talking to one of the senior cabinet persons. Yours is a small country facing large number of natural calamities, tsunami, so many things you have got problems. But still you came up everything. What is the reason? You know what the cabinet minister said? Sir, India is a great country, sir. From Indian country only we got one example, sir. What? Yes. You know, there is one person who said an important thing. I'll say that first and tell you who has said that. Yes, what is that? A country can progress only by citizens but not by individuals. Individual is the one who seeks himself. Citizen is the one who gives to others. Then he asked, who is that person? He said, Swami Vivekananda. Please remember, country's progress is dependent on you, what you do. It cannot be done any otherwise. There is no question of thinking that something else will happen. So remember that particular thing. I must be a citizen. Citizen is the one who gives to the country, does not look for himself. Now that today vitamin M will come. The modern education in the form of, in one of the recent engineering college I was telling, India needs, as Swami Vivekananda said, India needs modernization but not westernization. Do you know? The moment you think your attire is going to be some kind of having anything of the Western style, you think you are modern. It is not modern. You are only imitation. And Swamiji says, imitation is not the fundamental of human being. It is a creativity in innovation. That is what we are all capable of. Please remember, my dear friends, if that is the case, what we do, what is happening today? Na karmana na prajaya dhanena chage naike amrutatva manaso. I do 35 year service. What kind of service? Actually, it is a pseudo service. I worked in some particular government office. I worked in certain bank service or railways. 35 years. Udumundade Nurendlun, Padiyundade Permi Pamu, Padunurendlun, Madi Kokkerayundade, Kadunila Purusharthaparudu Kavalasamate. What is the use of so many years of service? There is many things that are lying just like that. Nothing is happening. But what is that can move? What is that can make the life most valuable and make everybody? Nakarmana. There is no point in counting the number of service years. Na prajaya. You can't claim my relation is big, my relationships are so many, my family is so big, and I am care of son of so and so, I am father of so and so. This is all stupidity. Na karmana, na prajaya, dhanena. I have lots of bank balance. What is the use? You come to me in the hospital, I'll tell you. తల్లి గర్భము నుండి ధనము తెడెవ్వడు వెళ్ళిపోయడి నాడు వెంటరాదు లక్షాధికారైన లవణ మనమే కాని మెరుగు బంగారంబు మృంగబోడు విత్తమార్జన చేసి విర్రవీగుటే కాని కూడబెట్టిన సొమ్ము తోడరాదు దాన ధర్మము లేక దాచి తుదకు దొంగలకిత్తురో దొరలకౌనో తేనె జుంటిగలివ్వవా తెరువరలకు భూషణ వికాస శ్రీధర్మపుర నివాస. Please understand, my dear friends, vitamin M of that sage is extremely dangerous. You are sleeping with a cobra. Please understand. And what is the whole thing? Please remember. You know two things which are lifeless? My dear young friends, please remember now. There are two things which are lifeless. Position and possession. Both are lifeless. And you are giving life to that. People are killing them. People are doing all these things for the sake of this. Please understand. You know, when somebody gets a big post and the director or whatever you may call it, a big post, you are about to sit in the chair. You know what the chair says? I have seen 100 fellows before you. And one of the principal secretaries in Secretariat, who was my good friend, earlier former, some principal secretary, you know what he said? Dr. Garu, retire in the door good out theatre, sir. This is what is, and you are after that. And be after character. You know what Max Muller and Sister Nivesda all said? If India is dead, I repeat, if the India is dead, world is dead much before. And we are born in that. Please, my dear friends, remember, you are born in the most wonderful country and everything. So the best way to make the people to say, what is that I have given? What is the given? And the first thing is, if you want to give, you must be rich first. What is your richness? Your richness is, first and foremost thing, the power of love. If you are rich, let me tell you even from medical point of view, small things. You know, we cannot indefinitely give you food from outside unless you eat and digest. Doctor cannot digest for you. You cannot breathe from outside unless you breathe one day yourself. That means all the power has to come from within. No power is there from the outside. If you think there is an outside power, possibly it is only a political power. There is no power at all outside. The power is all within us. You know, after meeting Swami Vivekananda's reading and everything, one of our great poets, what he said? And he said beautifully, especially religious way and everything, he has put it in such a wonderful way. ప్రతి కోవెలకు పరుగిడకు, ప్రతి బొమ్మకు కైమోడ్చకు, అంతరంగమున ఆరని దీపము నీవైయుండగా ప్రతి కోవెలకు. ద గ్రేటెస్ట్ ల్యాంప్ ఈజ్ విదిన్. కాకపోతే మనం బిచ్చవాళ్ళలాగా వెళ్తున్నాం, ఇక్కడికి అక్కడికి ఇక్కడికి బిచ్చగాళ్ళు బికాస్ యు ఆర్ పూర్ విదిన్. సో ఫస్ట్ డెవలప్ దట్ లవ్ విదిన్ అండ్ ఫస్ట్ బీ రిచ్ విదిన్. And how can you be rich within? By loving people. The more and more you try to develop, be in the good company. రామకృష్ణ మిషన్కి రావడం అంటే రామకృష్ణ పరమహంస వివేకానందలే కాదండి, ఇక్కడున్న వాతావరణం అంతా ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు వాట్ వీ కాల్ టుడే ఎపిజెనెటిక్ మెకానిజమ్స్. Please remember, you must come whether you like it or not. For simple, I always insist, youngsters, మనలో అందరిలో జీన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇంక్లూడింగ్ క్యాన్సర్ జీన్. మీకు తెలుసో తెలీదో? There are genes within us. All the genes are there, but the genes don't come out. Why they don't come out? Because the Kandel, who got the Nobel Prize for the gene and everything like this in human genome products, he said, genes by themselves do not harm you. If the environment is good, your genes will never harm you. You become a good person. That is what the gene scientists have said. And how do you control the genes? Control the genes by good environment. Control the genes by good mind. You are in the good company, good thoughts. And in fact, he said, the most important is the belief, Shraddha. You know, Mahatma Gandhi said, what a great sutra it is. You know what he started saying? Where did he begin? And began with Vivekananda, ended his sentence also Vivekananda. Your beliefs, you become thoughts. Your thoughts become your actions. Your actions become habits. Your habits become your character. And character becomes destiny. So start with belief, end with destiny. That is Vivekananda. And Mahatma Gandhi said, this is the treasure of this great land. You tell me. I also can say brothers and sisters. I cannot be Vivekananda. You know, it is only here. It is not from here. This is the problem of the country. We don't mean what we say. I say there should not be any corruption, and I will do the first corruption. You say you should be truthful, and I am the first person to lie. That means we are living in dichotomy. What we speak, what we do. What is character? That's what asks Swami Vivekananda. What is a character? What you think, what you do, what you speak, all are in synchrony is called as character. What is can you ever call an ice if it is hot? The character of ice is to be cold. What is the character of mango? The mango leaf, mango fruit, all have got that kind of taste and everything character. So there is a character. What is the character of man? So that is why once I was telling, there is an ISO for the hotels and also gas stations. What is ISO for man? That is character. Wonderful. The greatest ISO for the man is the character. మానవీయతే మానవుని యొక్క చరిత్ర. అది లేని నాడు మానవులని ఎలా పిలువబడతాం? మానవ రూపంలో ఉన్న రాక్షసులు. So please today make a determination. Make a determination. That too you are educated. You may ask me, sir, vitamin M now second thing మీరు అన్నారు కదా, what is the second M? Second M is Vivekananda said, that is called as morality. It is not money, it is morality. And this morality, please don't think morality is celibacy. As I have said it, it is all the word, the action and the thought. I'll give you one. Now I see lot of education people. Em masteru డబ్బులు సంపాదించకుండా ఎట్టా సార్ దేశంలో? మీరు అడుగుతారు, నాకు తెలుసు ఆ విషయం. తప్పక అడగాలి, అందులో ఏమాత్రం తప్పు లేదు కూడా. But I'll tell you, there is a way also for this. It seems 3 educated people went to king who is known to be generous. And all 3 are educated from a village. And they want to see that their education, everything, king honors. The king says, come on, ask me. I will do whatever you want. The first man said, నేను చాలా చదువుకున్నాను సార్, what is the use, sir? నాకు ఇల్లు లేదు, ఏమీ లేదు, వ్యవసాయం లేదు, ఇంట్లో తల్లిదండ్రులు వీళ్ళందరిని చూసుకోవాలి సార్, నాకేం లేదు. ఆల్ రైట్, యు ఆర్ గివెన్ 10 acres, you will have made a house and everything, take care of everybody. He was happy. The second fellow asked, what is that you want? సార్ అందరినీ అన్నీ చూడొచ్చు, కానీ మా విలేజ్ ఎలా ఉంది అంటే, ఎంత దూరంగా ఉందంటే, ఒక స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళాలన్నా లేకపోతే ఒక స్త్రీ డెలివరీకి వెళ్ళాలన్నా నియర్లీ 20-30 కిలోమీటర్స్ వెళ్ళాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఎంత పిటిగా. మాకు ఒక విధమైనటువంటి ఒక హాస్పిటల్, ఒక ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇవ్వాలి. గుడ్, గ్రాంటెడ్. థర్డ్ ఫెలో, యు నో వాట్ హీ ఆస్క్డ్? కింగ్, ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ వన్ థింగ్. Very small thing, huh? Yes, ask me. Just come and stay in my village for 1 month in a year. But don't tell which month. He asked, what is this peculiar desire? Answer is very simple, my lord. When you do not announce when you come, all roads are tip-top every time. When you do not announce and everything, all schools, hospital, all will be there. Because when king comes, everything has to be working. And number 3, in the evenings when you want to ask who is doing what and everything, you always insist every house is full and happy. So all of us will have work of both hands. We all will be happy. Kindly come for 1 month. He said, you are the right person to be a king. What is important is, ask for everybody, you get it. You are part of that. When you ask for everyone, you are part of it. As a result of which, you will never be deprived. కాకపోతే అండి, నాకు ప్రమోషన్ ఇవ్వండి, ఆయనకి ఇవ్వద్దు. ఆహా, ఏమి డిజైర్ అండి, ఇదొక రాక్షసత్వం. Please, when you want to see a part and parcel of your own evolution and also humanism, please understand, when everybody is happy, I am automatically happy. Speak truth, be righteous, absolute character, love everybody, and the most important thing is, when once you are peaceful, you can never be violent with anybody. And today, education is giving more violence rather than happiness and peace. Please, then it is not true education, it is more jealousy. Please understand, I do not want to take more time at this particular hour, because I usually hate before lunch speaking. But anyway, I am thankful to you for all of your patient hearing. Remember, Satya Dharma Shanti Premalu Lekunna, సత్యధర్మ ప్రేమ శాంతులు లేకున్న విద్యనన్నీయు నేర్చిన విలువ సున్నా. సత్యధర్మ ప్రేమ శాంతులు లేకున్న పదవులన్నీయు నేలిన ఫలము సున్నా. సత్యధర్మ ప్రేమ శాంతులు లేకున్న దాన ధర్మాల సార్థకత సున్నా. మన సనాతన ధర్మ హర్మ్యంబు కాపాడ గుణములివి 4. ఇంతకన్నను వేరెద్ది ఎరుక పరతో సాధు సద్గుణ గణ్యులౌ సభ్యులారా. జై హింద్.